Popo Molefe says they tabled more than 60 cases and wrote affidavits and complained to law enforcement agencies, including the Hawks, the police and the NPA, but nothing was done. He says he even resorted to the courts to get the law enforcement agencies to do their job. The former Prasa board chair says there was a deliberate crippling of the law enforcement system where efficient staff were replaced by cronies who made sure the work was not done. He says efficient law enforcement staff were sidelined or removed if they touched any of the Prasa cases.
It was certainly frustrating, it was inexplicable the way it was dealt with. And again, these matters became public knowledge. The question that one might ask, and bearing in mind that political interference is undesirable, but certainly the Minister of Justice, under whom such, and the Minister of Police, under whom these organs resort, should have been able to say, look, we see in the public domain and in the reports that are given to our Minister of Transport that there are these cases that have been lodged with you. Give us a status report. These are very serious matters. What are we going to do about them? They involve monies that could easily disappear, which would continue to be used against the taxpayers' interests. So it's a question that begs for answers.
Why, despite all of this being well known to the Portfolio Committee on Transport, to members of Parliament, to the executive, whether the executive at that time or the executive now, why is there no clear action that is known in the public domain is being pursued to get this money back, because this is taxpayers' money? So that's part of the worry. Why do you have 5 years without an institution having a CEO? Why interim boards? I mean, these questions just make you think that there may be quite something big behind this all of thing. How can there be no visible action to recover 2.6 billion rand lost by an organ of state?
COPE has applauded Molefe for exposing what they say is hypocrisy of the ANC leadership. They say they're not surprised that no action was taken by the top 6 at the time, where President Cyril Ramaphosa served as deputy president. The commission continues on Wednesday. Diabo Sito, SABC News, Johannesburg.